Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Pandora Fanatic. I've just had a delivery and I set up my camera knowing that it was coming so I could do an actual unboxing for you again. Got a few different packages here. I think the first one I want to start with though is this one here. So because I attend the events and oh wow, that's awesome. That's it. I already have that bead, but I do like pairs, so really good, really good. Let's have a look in this one. They do little ribbons on my packages, so nice to let you see those. I'll just see what's in this one. Ah, yeah. The green calcite, and let's see if I can show you this way. Really nice. Four-stitted. This is my first four-stitted go round. Green calcite rock, I think it's called. Really nice. Really, really nice. Pop that over there. Let's see what's in this one. I think I know what's in this one. I know what's in that one. But let's have a look. Yep. So I didn't get lost, I gather. So I'll be able to fix up my boxes a bit later afterwards. But I just wanted to share this process with you of sharing a few things. Really nice. It's called Fresh Beginnings. Really nice. Well, on to the spectacular. I'm seeing this for the first time too. We have the connections kit. I decided to treat myself to one of these. Because I have cats and breed them, I kind of found it was very fitting to have this, so I'll do the honours. And oh dear, just hold on. Whoops. Sorry guys. I think another YouTuber did that too one time. Dropped the beads. Sorry about this. I'm just seeing them too for the first time. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's my first four-stitted kit, and where should we start? Start here. Focus. That one there. Celestial Sunset. Sorry. Real pretty. Like it. I like it a lot. And a quick look at both sides. The details in the core. I think I've started with my two favourite beads. I really like that one. And this one, which is Garden of Affections. This one here really got my attention. Just in every way, just beautiful. Really appealed to my sense of style and things that mean a lot to me, like the garden. Okay, where to next? This one here caught my attention when, because Trollbeads Australia had a veiling kind of night to launch this collection, and this one here caught my attention. I kind of thought that was pretty amazing. This is called Bubble Drift. That is cute too, very cute. And yeah, this one. I'm ending on my last two beads. This one here is called Cosmic Connection, I believe. That glitter in it, and coppery colour, green and blue, lovely colours. Sorry about the focus, guys. I was using my camera to take photos yesterday in my garden. Really nice. Cosmic Connection. I decided to just use my bead threader today. What's this one? Collective Sparkle, I think it's called. And that was my least favourite. But in real life it is absolutely gorgeous. Really pretty. Yeah, I wanted to do this before I was tempted to play with them, which I'll likely do while this is uploading. Yeah, very nice. And what's this one? Wind of Memories? If I'm wrong, I'm very sorry. I'm trying my best to remember. And that was another one that I wasn't that keen on, but in real life it's stunning. Just divine. So yeah, it took me a wee while for me to be able to do this. I bought it 2 weeks ago, and then I had to wait another week for I waited a week for it to be ordered in, and then a week for it to arrive here after it was posted, which is actually really good, considering. Anyway, let's have a look at my new rock, and that is gorgeous. Green calcite rock, is that right? I'll just check my paperwork. Round green calcite faucet bead. Sorry about the blurring. I was reading that while. Yeah. You can tell I'm an amateur, can't you? But anyway, that doesn't matter. I'm still a collector. I was thinking today I wasn't much of a collector. I collected all sorts of different kinds of jewellery initially. But I had a few bracelets from Pandora which I'd started, which were all very piecemeal until I started watching the other YouTubers, Linda, Pandora Panda, Pandorably Charmed, and just thinking about who else has this collection at the moment. Oh, really sorry, I've forgotten your name, but yeah, that's another Pandora channel. But I watch a lot of you guys and see what you've got, and it helps me make my decisions on what I'm gonna buy for my collection, if it will suit. Yeah, so I've definitely built my collection. Anyway, on that note, I'll put this back here too to show you what all came. 6 4-sided beads, calcite, and fresh beginnings. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my video. I look forward to seeing more videos from the other YouTubers soon. I'll really enjoy watching other people's videos too. And if I've inspired you in any way, you're welcome to pick and choose the ideas that I put forward for your own. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you like, subscribe if you want to, it's free, and take care. I'll see you again next time.